Jasmy coin has officially rejected off of a key level that we needed to break through to see some more upside in the short term. But we are taking a look in this video at Bitcoin dominance on the weekly time frame coming down, still indicating that it is not over yet for altcoins potentially breaking through some of these levels like Jasmy and continuing to the upside. If Bitcoin dominance rejects off something I want to explore with you guys today, we could see Jasmy, as I've been hoping for and talking about lately, go to that 6 cent level in a hurry instead of coming back down to lower zones below 3 cents, which would provide some nice discounts, but would be a bummer for the Jasmy holders that are waiting for an altcoin season, as we all are. Let's talk about when altcoin season comes and what you need to be aware of when it comes to Jasmy coin in this video. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop right into this one. So to kick this thing off, on the weekly time frame, we still have Bitcoin dominance rejecting off of this 59% level, which has been very important, a theme I've been talking about in just about all my videos. But on the daily time frame, we are seeing it climb back up over the last 3 days. The first few days to start this week were very red, and then we've been creeping up on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and now today, December 26th. We are seeing it come back up a little bit. The weekly time frame is still red for Bitcoin dominance. But if I go back to the daily candles and you notice that these are coming up, you will also see that Jasmy token on the daily candles is coming down alongside Bitcoin dominance climbing up, which makes all the sense in the world. This is Jasmy token versus the dollar. It's coming down right now. Right now, from its previous high that it had on December 6th when we had a lot of altcoins rallying, it's down 41%. Now, it was up here on December 6th. Why? Because Bitcoin dominance was down here on December 6th. Notice Bitcoin dominance coming down. And then if you look at Jasmy, Jasmy was coming up. But as Bitcoin dominance got a bounce, Jasmy token took a retracement. And this is some resistance that we were seeing. We had a wick above it. I was excited yesterday. If we had a daily candle close above this, we could get some moves quickly to 4.5 cents and to 6 cents, which I was talking about yesterday. But unfortunately, Bitcoin is down today. We were very close to 100K yesterday. It all of a sudden came back down. Bitcoin's down a couple percent today. Out of this range, looking still like it's playing around with the idea of going to 85K. And if Bitcoin goes down to 85K, then there's a world where Bitcoin dominance comes back up to 59% or higher. What we want to see is Bitcoin dominance top out. We want to see Bitcoin dominance has already topped out, hopefully, but we definitely want to see it stop here if it continues to head higher at all. If you want to see Jasmy go up, you're rooting for Bitcoin dominance to go down. Now, Jasmy is not unique in the fact that it is facing some resistance and going down. Here you go. There is Cardano, which again, December 8th, 9th was much higher. And now Cardano's down. A lot of these top coins are down because Bitcoin dominance is going down, Bitcoin dominance is going up as the Bitcoin price is falling down. As Bitcoin falls down, altcoins fall lower historically. And that's exactly what we're seeing for Jasmy token here. Okay. So what are my targets to the downside for Jasmy? Well, I could look at a few different things. You can kind of see that there's this descending wedge kind of playing out for Jasmy. This is a very rough drawing, but something to consider. I wouldn't be surprised to see it come down to the 3 cent level again. Now, if it breaks back down below 3 cents, guys, then there's a very real chance that we could see it come back down to potentially this 2.5 cent level, or even, which is, I say that because you can see that it had a couple moments where it had some resistance here, break through, break up. There's some resistance there, kind of find support here, bounce there. Couple candles rejecting off, breaking through, bouncing back off of, struggling to get it back above it. So again, targets to the downside, I'm looking at 3 cents. That would be a good buy zone. Of course, if it breaks lower, I'd be looking at 2.5 cents. If it breaks lower than that, guys, there's a real world where this thing could go to, really down to this flat 2 cent level or possibly even to 1.5 cents. Obviously, 2 cents is going to come before 1.5 cents. I don't really expect us to see that 1.5 cent level. If we go down simply to this 2.5 cent level, that's a 30% move, okay? If Bitcoin from current prices was to come down to 85K, which is my next target, that's a 10% move. If Bitcoin comes down to 85K, there's a war where Jasmy easily comes down to 25 cents. If Bitcoin was to come down to 73K, which is a possibility, less likely in my opinion, but if Bitcoin comes down to 75K, or 73K, should I say, that would make sense because that is our March of 2024 high. I don't expect that to happen. I think Bitcoin is stronger than that. If we do see Bitcoin come down to 85K, I think that would be the moment where we finally saw the daily candle close for the total market cap get a bounce off of this $3 trillion level. I would be surprised if any daily candles really hung out below this level personally because of all the bullish catalysts that we have, from a pro-crypto president to pro-crypto Congress, pro-crypto Senate. We have pro-crypto hedge funds and financial institutions from across the globe buying Bitcoin as much as they can. It's a very bullish year coming up for crypto, but if you want altcoins like Jasmy to go up, you need Bitcoin dominance to continue going down. And if Bitcoin's falling, Bitcoin dominance tends to go up because altcoins show more weakness. Looking for a bounce off 3 trillion for Jasmy, looking for a bounce off of 3 cents. If we don't get that, we could come down to 25 cents, guys. It's on the table. It's on the table. It's a possibility. I believe that Jasmy can easily achieve its 30-cent level. I think a 10x for Jasmy is very reasonable in this bull market. I think we could see something even bigger than that. We might even see Jasmy get to 50 or 60 cents. Some people believe it could go to $1. If the total market cap goes above $10 trillion, I could certainly entertain a $1 Jasmy coin. But I think in this bull market, we could easily see a 30-something cent Jasmy, possibly even a 50-cent Jasmy. But we need to get through some of this volatility first. Bitcoin needs to continue above 100K, go to 120, 150, and higher. And we can get that move back to the upside, past 4.5 cents, past 6 cents, and eventually to 30 cents and higher for Jasmy. In the meantime, I've given you my targets, guys. If you want to trade Jasmy, in the meantime, based on some of that information, you could do it for yourself. If you sign up for Blowfin, you could trade Jasmy, a lot of your favorite altcoins. Check it out if you haven't done so already. There's a $5,000 deposit bonus when you do sign up for Blowfin using our link, and 10% discounts on trading fees that you can get grandfathered into if you sign up using our link today. That is all I have for you in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel DCA Hodl. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.